It is an '04. Hey, this is Tim. It is an '04 Mazda 6 that I just purchased and we'll be restoring. We'll be fixing that. We'll be cleaning it up. Cleaning up the inside. Cleaning up the inside. Fixing the, we're gonna put a new headliner in. Fix the seat. Put a new mirror on. And the main thing is we'll be doing a head gasket on it because that's what's the problem with it. It's got a milkshake. And I don't mean the good milkshake either. So we're going to be pulling the head out. I'll go through that and you know, have a little few parts to it. Right now I'm just charging it up and looking at it. I just got it today. Probably fix the bumper is over here. Bumper's okay. I'll probably get a new trim piece, the top one. I think the rest of it's okay. Get some new tires. I haven't looked at the brakes yet. It's an all-out restoration. Kind of sort of what I do with a Volkswagen. This one, the head gasket's there with transmission. This one ain't quite as dirty. Don't have ants all in it. It has been sitting a long time though. So, I don't know if these are hubcaps. Yeah, these are hubcaps. Probably get some new one of those because those are like garbage. Get some hubcaps that pop. And a few other things. But anyway, just stay tuned for part 2, 3, 4, however many parts it's going to be until we get it perfect. And then of course I'll sell it. So subscribe, like, so you don't miss an episode of us. We'll be starting on the head tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't want